Nike store, and guess what I did? I bought this sneakers. Be strong. Welcome to another vlog, 12 years gone. Anywhere you're at in the world, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. Today, I will be the only black man touring a major mall in Sano, I must say rather, Premium Outlet Mall in Japan. Of course, watch, like, share, and subscribe. I'm presently by Sano Premium Outlet. It is a very huge mall. We have a lot of brand established stores. You can see Coach, and over there you have the Kate Spade from New York. So you have quite a lot of brand store that you would have actually find in America. I'm just doing a quick video. Let us see what's going on here in Japan. And you have this popular brand, Michael Kors. It's here, they're all American. You can see. It's all here in Japan. You can see that? Yeah. See the Starbucks over there? Yeah, it's here. The Diesel. And it's a Sunday, so you have a lot of people who didn't go to work today, and they're here in the mall shopping. You can see that, Michael Kors. And in this mall, if you are a foreigner and you need to exchange currency, they have a smart exchange machine. Take note though, the currency exchange rate is a bit lower than what you would have actually received in an airport or by the bank. But I mean, it's convenience. So if you run out of cash, you can just stop by, it's close by the information desk, and withdraw some cash. Very huge mall. All the brands that you can think of that are in America, or for the most part, most of the brands, they are here. I'm still in the mall. Sano Premium Outlet Mall. Very huge mall. All the brands that you can think of. Lego. If you like Lego, you can enter the store. They're all in. So you have Coleman over there. And this is Japan. First time in this mall, and I'm loving it. It's very big. And I've checked out a few prices in some of the stores, and I see that they're competitive. Very competitive. Oh, you have a Converse store. You see that? You can see Lacoste there. It's a popular brand in America and it's here in Japan at the Sano Premium Outlet, a very huge mall. Up the road you have another mall named Aeon Mall. One of these days I'm going to actually give you a tour of that mall. See that? Very spacious and a bit quiet, but people are shopping. You see that? I'm going to visit the food court in a moment and let us see what it's like. We have Levi, and as I said earlier, if you're a foreigner and you need Japanese currency, by the information section they have a smart foreign currency exchange machine, but take note, the exchange rate is much lower than what you would have received if you have gone in an airport or by the bank, but it's convenience. Still here at the mall, Sano Premium Outlet. As I said, there are so many top brands in this mall, and I've gone in several stores and the prices are competitive. You can see Tommy Hilfiger. And another thing, I didn't want to say this on camera, but if you should look on my skin color, I'm like the only proud black man in this mall. And of course, you know, individuals who have passed, you know, they smile at me, you know, and I interpret that as, you know, love, one love, as Bob Marley would say. So what I'm talking about, top brands from America, Cole and it's an handbag store, top of the top line handbag store, and they can be found in this mall in Japan. New Balance, I just exited New Balance. As you can see, it's Ralph Lauren. My first time in this mall and I'm loving it. You see Ralph Lauren? All is quite big. And I often shop online and purchase electronics from Anchor, and I just entered Anchor and look at their wide assortment of offering, and it's here in Japan in the Sano Premium Outlet Mall. And look what I'm looking at or approaching. Under Armour, a sportswear store, which is also in this mall. On the head of me you have Gap, and to my left I'm looking at Banana Republic Factory. So the American stuff are actually in this mall in abundance. I just visited Nike store, and guess what I did? I bought this sneakers. It was on sale. I think I received a great deal, and I will be returning to this store again in the future because the prices are very competitive. Still here at the Sano Premium Outlet Mall. You see that? Can you see that? It's just about all the popular brands that you can find in the United States. They are here.